he'll be fine because he's twin lock and trying to lock those really.
Oh! Slowly! It's been a rush!
Oh, no, listen, okay. Mate, you have to go further that way. You know what, fine, come on, don't worry. No, come straight. Straight. Yeah. Keep going. You'll be fine. Keep going. Now.
Whoa!
Now, like, now towards me. A little bit more.
Whoa! You smash it!
Left, hard left.
You'll need to go back a bit.
Stop there. Now full straight. Now left hand. More. Keep going. Hey, no, stop. The bar's about to hit. Yeah, no, hold on. Wait, we go. Put some. Wait. Stay there. Let's practice.
If he's got mockers, just turn him to the left and you'll be fine. That's going to be off the ground anyway.
Yeah, no, but still, because he's gonna spin out here. It's all sand. Your rear bar's made contact.
That won't be touching. That's going to be off the ground.
Hey? No, he'll be alright. No, rear bar. Rear bar's on the right. Because when it comes back down, it'll land.
No, well, that's the thing. He's got to keep on going, otherwise he's going to be
fine.
to the tree. Don't
You've got
stop.
to get this a proper just come up slowly. Just on that line. And I'll tell you when to go half left. Keep coming. Slowly. Really hold that line. Let's come up.
Don't turn left.
No, you're sliding a lot, man. Wait, no, stop. Stop. Go full left hand down and go back a bit. Oh, no, come forward. Now, left hand down, go back. We get out of the car. Left hand down, door. What's happening? I'm bouncing over here. Yeah, no, you slide this way. So I want to make that hole's a problem. Stop pulling into that hole. So maybe you put those rocks down here.
You're totally just front right. You need to front left to drive away from the tree.
Left hand down, you have to go forward. Left hand down hard, go back.
Every day go back and then go full left and go forward. They stop. Go full left.
Forward to the back.
No, that was fine. No, keep going, go up. Once you go, don't stop.
Oh!
There you go.
Yep.
Something snapped!
Yeah, it was about to go. And that's just got back and come out.
Yeah, something snapped.
Something else coming up.
All the way up. Yeah, alright. Yeah, you got to get car. Oh, yeah. Don't do that. Stay in there. He's gonna be mad. He's gonna be mad.
What's that?
CV, bro.
Can you get CVs in it? No, don't put pro mollies in it because you snap your axle.
What do you put?
Your standard CVs back.
Yeah, that's right.
Dead cheap.
Yeah, no.
Couple of $100 in 2 hours and you're done.
It's rare that you break CVs on this, you know.
Yeah.
This was making a noise, so...
I was already on the way out. Because you won't bounce into anything, it's just a torque, snaps it.
I'm hoping that it was just the auto hub, but it sounded louder than that.
Oh, it could have been the hub.
Yeah, it might be a hub, it's the short side, but you never know.
And when you go up, go straighten up a bit so he doesn't pull you in gear. Oh, enjoy.
Now I'll extend it out. I want to see how much room I'm working with.
It's part of it.
That's some room. Huh? Yeah, no, on the back. Come back.
It's not moving. What happened, Ali?
Oh, it's down to move. I'm here. No, where is he? Over there.
It's there.
Coming. Come. You're far away. You're 2.5 meters.
What happened?
Nothing inside. I will, yeah, let's go. Looking it up.
Oh!
It's on the rock.
On the rock! Stop!
Tilt it to the left now. Oh, stand on the rock.
There's a rock in front of your tire!
The left side's on the boulder. It's on the right side.
Go, Holly!
salsa.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, honey.
Oh, you're not full drumming, are you? Okay, good.
Yeah, yeah.
No, this is over there. This is over there. Over there, over there. Take it off. Yeah, hold on. Take off the shackle. Wrap it around.
Oh, can you just check that? Go on your side and see if the tail shaft's turning.
This side?
No, I'm not sure it's this side now. It sounded to me like it was this side. You're saying it sounded like the other side.
No, it sounded like this on this
Yeah.
side,
I know, it sounded like it was on the other side. Well, I
Let
don't
me
know.
just pull the other side off.
Yeah, maybe just do that.
When we were pulling you up, were you in two-wheel drive or four?
Oh, at the beginning he was
Two.
in 4, but then he went into 2.
Alright, you were in two.
There was no noise.
That's why there was no noise.
No, because I was watching one wheel spin but not the other. But
Yeah.
you were in two just because that one had contact.
Look, I'll just have a look at the other
Yeah,
side.
have a look at the other side, because that shouldn't be turning the shaft. Well, so,
Should
okay,
it?
so the diffs, no. God, Dad, if it's broken, it shouldn't
No,
even
if
be
the
a mod.
CV's broken, right?
Yes, it should not be connected to the diff center.
Well, depends how bad it's broken. Although that was colossal.
That was a big bang.
Let's have a look at the other side. Hey, for me, it
No
sounded like...
way it's the short side, though.
That never happens. Oh, now, sorry. You can use the other... You know the thing that takes the cover off?
Oh, the, where is it?
I know. It's my off day.
This. Sure.
I was running the Friday, I'm not Saturday, Sunday.
Are you a mechanic? Oh,
Oh, here it is. It was underneath something, don't worry.
Why is this seat?
Well, sorry. Max, your weight actually broke the CV. Yeah, Max. Too fat. Help.
Yes, too fat.
So everybody, as you can see, we've stopped here. I heard a massive bang explosion, probably on the video, coming up that huge rock step. First thought was CV, made a CV noise. You know, we pulled the hubs off, the automatic hubs off, and they seem fine. And I'm holding the axles and they're spinning the shaft. It doesn't sound, there's no noises. And on closer inspection, the teeth, it's broken in here. Where these teeth locate with the automatic locker, it's actually broken in here. So cheap fix, cheap fix. So thank heavens for that. All right, later.
so you take a pin out. That's going in, and it disconnects both sides. It's actually 2 bars that meet in the middle and you pin it up.
Oh, is that okay? Yeah.
And then you take the pin out, and
actually.
then the 2 bars, you just leave the whole thing on.
That's a good design. Because we tried to make our own disconnects, but then we realised that when we disconnect it, it's just going to smack into the diff.
I'll still have good drive with this.
What do you mean?
I'll still have 3-wheel drive.
Oh yeah, I know that, but you go second though.
Very nice to be fine.
Shouldn't I go first, you go last?
Why would I go last? Why would you go first?
I should go first, that way
Yeah, I should go first,
through,
then you
and
go
then-
second.
Well, let me go, why would I go second?